Welcome to our tutorial on how to accept financial aid here at Azusa Pacific University. Using your computer, visit your APU portal at home.apu.edu and log in using your APU NetID and password. If you're using the APU Now app on your phone, you can visit your portal by tapping on home.apu.edu and logging in from there. From here, the instructions will be the same on your mobile app as they will be on your computer. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Financials. Open up the drop-down and click on Accept/Decline Awards. Scholarships and grants are automatically accepted on your behalf, but loans are not. From here, you can either decline a specific loan or accept it with the amount you'd like to accept on the right-hand side. Please note that the awards are listed by the school year, not by the semester. If you're accepting student loans or the Parent Plus loan, be sure you've taken the previous steps necessary first. If you have any questions, feel free to email our Undergraduate Enrollment Services Center or our Student Services Center at uesc@apu.edu or call us at 626-815-2020.